So we're about 3,100 meters above. We're at the top of the pass here. Only problem is that going down, we have some complications. So there's our driver who has been digging out the road so that we can hopefully go down, because we have got to get down there. So he's decided that he is going to drive down and we'll do some walking. And that way we can hopefully all safely get down. Bye! Okay peeps, should we walk down the hill? So Jake almost slid down.
This? Law. So close.
So close. So we just finished recording, eventually, the final closing bit for the video. These guys have been total legends. Jake knocking it out the park. And now it's time for lunch. That sound you can hear is a donkey. He's saying goodbye to us. We just finished at this madrasa, this school. We've been looking at some of the teaching they do with boys and girls to help them to be more hygienic, to wash their hands, and to be more kind of clean at home. And it's been pretty effective. Now it is time, where's our little, there it is, time to go jump in our Jeep again and go somewhere else.